Welcome to the Alease Project, a sacred space for remembrance, a place where we pour libation through words, where we honor the ancestors whose names are remembered and those whose names were lost to time. This space is an audio offering to the bloodline, because before we were here, someone survived. Before we spoke, someone prayed. Before we walked this earth, someone endured the unimaginable so that we could breathe here today. So we give thanks and we honor them. We gather in remembrance. We gather in truth. We gather in honor of the first sons, those who stood early, those who carried silently, those who became before they were ready. We gather for the ones who were called the man of the house before they even had a chance to be boys. For those who learned responsibility before they learned rest. For the ones who were shaped by expectation long before they understood their own needs. Today we call their names: the known, the unknown, the remembered, the forgotten, the living, the ancestral. For the first sons who learned strength before softness, we honor you. For the boys who became protectors while still needing protection, we see you. For the sons who stepped into the role of father, brother, leader, guide without hesitation, without rest, we acknowledge your burden. For the first sons who carried the weight of absent fathers, who filled spaces that should have never been empty, we speak your truth. For the ones who hid their emotions so that others could feel safe, we recognize your sacrifice. For the sons who were told to be strong, but were never taught how to heal, we offer you peace. For the first sons who became examples, whether they were ready or not, we honor your resilience. For the ones who made mistakes under pressure, who carried expectations too heavy for their age, we offer grace. For the sons who broke cycles, and for those still trying to understand them, we stand with you. For the sons who were punished for their tenderness, who were shamed for their tears, who were told that softness was weakness, we restore your right to feel. For the sons who learned to survive instead of thrive, who learned to provide instead of receive, who learned to endure instead of express, we return balance to your spirit. For the inner child within every first son, the one who still longs to be held, to be seen, to be chosen, to be free, we send love. For the first sons who watched their younger siblings receive care they themselves never got, who learned to swallow their needs so the household could stay afloat, we acknowledge the ache you never named. For the first sons who never received an apology, for the weight they carried, for the innocence they lost, for the childhood they were denied, we speak the apology you deserved. As we pour, we release honor. As we pour, we release recognition. As we pour, we restore balance to those who carry too much too soon. May this libation reach every first son, past, present, and yet to come. May it touch the places where silence lived. May it soften what was hardened by duty. May it return breath to the places that forgot how to breathe. You are never too much. You are allowed rest. You are allowed to feel. You are allowed to be held. You do not have to carry everything alone. We redefine what strength looks like. We honor the man. Heal the boy inside. Release the burdens that were never named. You are beyond responsibility. You are worthy, whether you can provide or not. To the sons who stood in silence, to the sons who became men too soon, to the protectors, to the providers, to the unseen pillars, we thank you, we honor you, we remember you, and through our awareness, your weight is no longer invisible. This has been the Alease Project, an audio libation for the ancestors, and a reminder that even the strongest deserve to be held. Ashe.